Welcome to North Padre Island in Corpus Christi, Texas. I'm Randy Sullivan with the TAILOR-MADE Realty Group. I'm here at 15354 Sabre Drive in the Point Tesoro subdivision, just off of Whitecap Boulevard. Let's take a look inside. This coastal contemporary canal home is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom with an attached 2-car garage. It sits just under 2,500 square feet. It's a 1998 build, but it had a full renovation as recently as 2020. I love this kitchen. It really is the heart of the home. It features craft-made cabinetry, top-of-the-line stainless steel Bosch appliances, and quartz countertops. The second floor provides 2 additional bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a living area, and a kitchenette. So if you're ready to experience the perfect blend of coastal charm and modern luxury, contact me with the information below. Hope to talk to you soon.